Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. AnonAlien or AALIEN is a Solana meme coin powered by a bold science fiction narrative that is quickly catching attention. This is not just another token, it's a story designed to stand out, spread fast, and build curiosity. Yours if you are into early-stage Ripple trends, meme narratives, and fast-moving markets. You are in the right place, so subscribe my YouTube channel and stay connected. And as are always, this video is here to inform and break things down. So make sure you do your own research before making any decision. This video content is not a financial advice. So, what makes AALIEN different is the story behind it. A signal sent from the future, an unknown origin, and a concept where Bitcoin is imagined as the first message received on Earth. This creates a mysterious science fiction entity that instantly grabs attention. And in the world of meme coins, the stronger the story, the stronger the pull. AALIEN is built as a Solana-based meme coin driven by community energy, powered by narrative and engagement. It is designed to capture attention, be easily shareable, and grow through community momentum. So here you can also check out the transmission sequence, and here you can also check out the signal, and on the Rebel, here you can also check out the artifacts. Total supply is 1 billion, and here you can see that no pre-sale, no team. So it's built on Solana, and here you can also check out Tease 4, and you can also check out the mystery is the product, and AALIEN is the artifact. So here you can also check out the visual fragmentation of the project and of the meme coin. Search looks very cool and it's very eye-catching. So here you can check out its different features, and here you can see that it's also available in you can see device form. So we will click on device. So I have to receive. So here you can check out secrets, who we are, the first signal, the second signal. And then here you can check out the gallery of the visual fragments. You can choose according to your choice. And here you can also check out the messages, the watchers, unknown listener, and the long arc. You can also check out the setting sections. So you can set it according to your choice. And in this way, you can see it. And here you can also check out another amazing feature that has become a watcher. You can check out. Here you will receive signals, and here you can check out choose your face. You can brought your photo here and collect rows. You will select from here, and after it, you will have to choose your face, and after it, you will have to hardware optional, and then you will have to check out the glasses, but this is optional, and then you will select your aura, and then you will select stickers and frames. So after putting this all necessary information, you will proceed further and you become a watcher. The watchers see what you becomes. So in this way, you can set it, and here you can also check out transmission archives. So you can check out and you can see it or guide sections. Different identities are available here. You can check out different examples, and here you can also check out each and every detail. Now let's talk about the most exciting part of the live market performance of AALIEN. Viewers, AnonAlien is currently making waves inside the Solana ecosystem and is actively trading on platforms like Pump.Darfund and PumpSwap. The project carries a strong anonymous mass identity which reflects a community through an anti-centralized vision. Now look at the number. Current price is $0.0001531, and you can also check out liquidity. Liquidity is $30,000 US dollars. FDV is $153,000 US dollar. Market cap is $153,000 US dollars. You can also check out transactions, number of buys and buy volume and buyers as the mentions traders high. A number of traders has been mentioned here, and you can also check out that this means the supply is fully circulating, which adds the transparency. The market is extremely active right now. 24-hour trading volume is 343,000, liquidity around 30,000 dollars. This level of liquidity help ensure some more trading. And even more impressive, over 15,241 transactions in just 20 hours, around 3,039 unique traders. This clearly shows as strong situations and from the three. So, and knowledge looks at the market behavior. More than 8,000 buyers versus 6,000 sells. So buyers are in control, bullish momentum, and which show consistent upward movement. when the healthy consolidation phases. Around 291 holders are growing, and you can also check out that the project is also using tools like Bubbles Map, which helps monitor valid distribution and maintain fairness. So that open is moving fast, trade happening every few seconds, METs of small and large Ys, continuous inflow of the SOL, and even in the 5-minute window, price is still showing green tentis with around fun point. You can check out approximately. You can see that price is showing positive vibes, and you can also check out that it is showing 1.5% per worth. This confirms that momentum is still actor engagement is strong. So you can also check out that you can buy and sell it, and if you want to buy it, you will connect the valid, and you must have some SOL in your valid, and if you have some SOL in your valid, you can buy it. The process is very simple and very easy. All the necessity link have been given in the description of the video. So if you are following fast-moving project like this, joining their Telegram community is very important here, as you can get early announcements and updates. You can also follow their Twitter page, so you can connect with the community directly. You can track future plans and developments and catch opportunities before they go viral. And crypto, the first test information, wins. So you can join these social media communities. And I would like to sum up that AnonAlien is not just about the hype. It represents a mix of digital identity narrative, AIER relevant, strong early market momentum. We are moving from platform control identity to user-own identity, and in a world full of AI, proving you are human might become extremely valuable. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and share the video. Comment below, what do you think about Alien, early opportunity or high risk, and subscribe for more Threat to Insides and trending projects. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye.